Hi students, let us see economy news. In this part, we will see three important issues. One is about open network for digital commerce. Next one is about blue economy and deep ocean mission. And final one is Koila Darpan portal. Let us see one by one. First news is about e-commerce or digital commerce. We see the news, why it is in news, and what is the requirement of new policy change with respect to digital commerce. Here the news is saying the Union Minister of Commerce and Industry reviewed the progress on open network for digital commerce. Here the key term is open network for digital commerce. It is an initiative of Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. This organization is, we need to remember which department is handling this particular initiative called Open Network for Digital Commerce. Quality Council of India has established a team of experts for execution of the project in a mission mode. So this is the news. In this news, what we have to see? After seeing the news, you have to identify what is open network for digital commerce, what is the need of this initiative, and what is the mandate of this initiative. First, we see the importance of open network for digital commerce. It is first of its kind globally. For the first time in the world, India is taking such an initiative. Why it is taking such an initiative? It will enable interoperability between e-commerce companies. In case of Indian economy, e-commerce companies like Amazon, Flipkart are well-known e-commerce companies. These are the companies which sell goods online. People need not to visit the physical marketplaces. They can order online. These e-commerce companies sell these products directly to the home. So these are the main functionality of e-commerce companies. However, there is some kind of issue with respect to small traders because these e-commerce companies are monopolizing the market and most of the people are buying only on the main platforms like Amazon and Flipkart. Now small sellers are forced to sell their products through these platforms. So they have now these e-companies are dictating the terms and small traders do not have any say in the price of their product. So this is the problem. Now small traders and small markets are in danger. In order to overcome this problem, Indian government is taking such an initiative. Now we will see what it will does. This open network for digital commerce, it provides equal opportunity to small and large players. As of now, e-commerce are giant companies, multinational companies, they are very large players in the market. They are setting the standards and they are setting the norms of e-commerce. Now small players do not have any say, they are forced to follow these new norms. And sometimes they are eradicated or finally they are going to be washed out from the marketplace itself if necessary steps are not taken. So in this context, this open network for digital commerce provide equal opportunity for small players as well as large players. And also it will help control digital monopolies and make industry more inclusive for buyers also and sellers alike. Now buyers are buying the products while logging into Amazon and Flipkart. Whatever suggestions Amazon is giving, buyers are taking the product. By having open network for digital commerce, they will have more opportunities to look for different type of items. And sellers, they have more options to sell to large number of buyers. It empowers MSMEs also, micro, small, medium enterprises. Now they are at receiving end because these large companies are having complete control over the economy of e-commerce. Now MSMEs also will have opportunity to sell their products in the large scale market. to unlock innovation and value. Now we'll see this is the objective and this is the function of open network for digital commerce. But next question is how it provide. Here we are talking about it provide equal opportunity for large players and small players also. It provide more inclusiveness to the buyers and sellers also, but how it will provide. Now you can see this, the initiative is seen as a step towards ending the dominance of platforms such as Amazon and Flipkart, which have been accused of wielding monopoly power. ONDC, Open Network for Digital Commerce project, modeled around the Unified Payments Interface or UPI project, that is seen as a success by many. So now this project is also coming up on the lines of UPI. UPI, Unified Payment Interface, it is a very big success after starting digital transactions. Now we'll see how we have to compare UPI and this open network for digital commerce. If we see UPI, what is the architecture of UPI and how it has made the transactions more inclusive for service providers as well as service takers. The UPI project allows people to send or receive money irrespective of the payments platforms on which they are registered. Whether it is PhonePe or Beam or Google Pay, different kinds of platforms are there. But they operate through UPI project. Similarly, government wants to ensure that buyers and sellers of goods in the e-commerce market can transact regardless of the platforms on which they are registered. They can register in different platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, any kind of platform. But they purchase or their payments are done through open network for digital commerce. In this one, directly seller will receive the amount and buyer will get the product. So under ONDC, a buyer registered on Amazon, for example, may directly purchase goods from a seller who sells on Flipkart. A seller might be selling only through Flipkart, but he may not be registered in Amazon. This is in case of seller. If buyer is registered in Amazon platform, still he can purchase the goods from the seller who registered on Flipkart. So you can see this is called interoperability. Two different platforms, buyer in one platform, seller on the other platform, still both can interact, interoperability between platforms. This open network for digital commerce provide that opportunity. So with this, now what will happen? In case of UPI, whatever may be the bank, irrespective of the bank, people can purchase directly through the UPI or irrespective of the application or platform in the mobile, still they pay through UPI. So Unified Payment Interface. This has equalized all the kinds of platforms. Similarly, open network for digital commerce is also aimed to have an equalized force among various platforms like Amazon and Flipkart. So in this context, open network for digital commerce is seen in the news. So we have discussed what is open network for digital commerce is about. Next news is about blue economy and deep ocean mission. Now we see what is blue economy and deep ocean mission. Here the term deep blue economy. Blue economy is related to economy that is based on ocean resources. So here news, let us see the news under what context we have taken this out and we are discussing about blue economy. Here the news is Chief of Naval Staff called on Union Minister of State Earth Sciences and discussed the modalities to deepen cooperation in deep ocean mission. So here the term we have to see deep ocean mission, and deep ocean mission and blue economy are interrelated. Hence we have taken both blue economy and deep ocean mission and we are discussing this. Here one important part, some fact. It is pertinent to mention that Indian Navy is a member of Deep Ocean Council and it will be involved in launching and recovery of man submersible in deep water, which will be developed under deep ocean mission. In deep ocean mission, man-made objects and human beings can be sent to deep under sea, and this mission is helpful to understand and to do research what is there in the seabed. As of now, we see what is there on the outer layer of ocean, but deep inside ocean, we do not exactly know what kind of world is there at the bottom of ocean. So now deep ocean mission talks about how to unearth, how to unravel the mysteries that are present in the deep ocean. Now in this context, we will see what is deep ocean mission and blue economy, and what are the opportunities of blue economy, and we will see different dimensions. The deep ocean mission is a mission mode project to support the blue economy initiative of Government of India. Government of India is aiming to create a vibrant economy based on resources of ocean. Here the term blue represents water. In world, the earth is also called blue planet. When we see the earth from the sky, the planet earth looks like with blue color. Why? That is because of water. So here blue economy means it is economy related to water resources, and with blue economy means with oceans, a lot of opportunities are there for different stakeholders of the economy. Indian government has initiated this blue economy initiative. Now deep ocean mission, this mission helps Indian government to give first-hand research report on various opportunities and challenges that are lying for implementing blue economy. The preliminary design of the manned submersible Matsya 6000 is completed. It is a mission, it is an equipment or a vehicle that is used to go deep into the ocean and to get the first-hand information about different possibilities or what is there inside deep ocean. India's first manned ocean mission, Samudrayan, it was launched at Chennai in October 2021. And thus India joined the elite club of nations such as USA, Russia, Japan, France and China to have such underwater vehicles for carrying out subsea activities. Here the term you can see subsea activities. It is like exploration of seabeds. For example, to explore Mars mission, ISRO has sent a mission called Mangalyaan. To explore the moon, ISRO has sent a mission called Chandrayaan. Similarly, to explore ocean beds, a mission called Samudrayan. It is a vehicle, and in this vehicle, robots can be placed or human beings also can go. Through these tools, we can get the real aspects about deep ocean and what are the various biodiversity, what is the biodiversity deep under ocean, and what are the metals that are available, what are the challenges in exploring or in unearthing such opportunities. All these information we get through these missions like Samudrayan mission. So similarly, one more mission is Matsya 6000. So these are different missions under deep ocean mission. So under deep ocean mission, these kind of vehicles are sent to deep ocean and we get the information and research reports. Here you can see how the vehicle looks like and how they can be placed in deep ocean. Now, deep ocean mission planned by the Ministry of Earth Sciences. Here the administrative aspects, who is handling this mission, Ministry of Earth Sciences, is being carried out in collaboration with Indian Space Research Organization. So these are the two important, one is ministry, another one is one organization. Both are involved in deep ocean mission. The deep ocean mission is proposed to be a central sector scheme and no separate allocation for state is envisaged. It is completely central sector scheme. Central government provide the resources and sufficient funds to carry out this mission. It is proposed to collaborate with non-governmental organizations as well for research collaboration for various components of deep ocean mission. If non-governmental organizations and scientific organizations, if they are also involved, if they also want to be part of deep ocean mission, this mission helps create a space for non-governmental organizations as well. The major objectives proposed under deep ocean mission are development of technologies for deep sea mining. Now we see what are the objectives. After spending lot of money, after doing research, what are the ultimate objectives or aims of deep ocean mission? Development of technologies for deep sea mining. Deep sea is having the opportunities of lot of metals which are useful for industrial development. Such mining, we cannot do mining without having proper report about deep oceans. So it facilitate the development of technologies for deep sea mining, underwater vehicles and underwater robotics. Development of ocean climate change advisory services. It also helps to understand how the temperatures of deep oceans are changing, pressure, temperatures, salinity. So such kind of changes also can be observed, and it will give some kind of clues for future climate change activities and future climate change as well. Technological innovations for exploration and conservation of deep sea biodiversity. If deep sea biodiversity, if it is very important and if it not be disturbed, means for warning can be given to the world community that particular area is having lot of biodiversity and world community should not disturb that particular area. Deep ocean survey and exploration. Proof of concept studies on energy and fresh water from the ocean. So you can see, after knowing the research, after doing research on the deep oceans, we get information about various dimensions, and with this information and research reports, there are so many possibilities. We get information related to deep sea mining and ocean climate change advisory, to conserve deep sea biodiversity, and to know about how energy can be harnessed from ocean waters and how fresh water can be harnessed from ocean waters. Establishing advanced marine station for ocean biology, to study ocean biology. Also, this research will help. So in order to facilitate these developments, first we should have some kind of allocation or important funds should be given to important missions like deep ocean mission. This deep ocean mission will give us first-hand information. Otherwise, if India do not have such missions, India had to depend on information from other countries. That information will be in the perspective of those countries. We will be dependent on other countries for getting the crucial information. So now, before India became self-reliant in sending the satellites, earlier we were depending on other countries. Now India is self-reliant. India can send satellites on its own, and India can get information about other planets and other related universe related aspects on its own. Now India need not to depend on other countries. Similarly, if India is having self-reliant position in deep oceans, then India will get information and India can use that information for the development of economy. The most beneficiary aspect about deep ocean mission is blue economy. Blue economy will have great opportunity from the information taken by deep ocean missions. Here the aim is, blue economy aim is, India aims to target over 100 billion rupees blue economy through its deep ocean mission and ocean resources. If we know proper information, then we can harness the potential of oceans and we can use the benefit of human beings, Indians. Blue economy. Blue economy is sustainable use of ocean resources for economic growth, improved livelihoods and jobs, and ocean ecosystem health. Here you can see economy growth and livelihood and more job opportunities, and also ocean ecosystem health. So combined sustainable use of ocean resources through blue economy. Blue economy encompasses many activities. Here you can see various economic activities that are possible through blue economy. One is fisheries, renewable ocean energy, maritime transport, tourism, climate change related aspects, and ocean management. Waste management, sorry. So these are various economic activities that are possible with blue economy. Indian Ocean Rim Association has identified the following 6 priority pillars in the blue economy. Here, fisheries and aquaculture, fish related, renewable ocean energy, energy related, seaports and shipping, offshore hydrocarbons and seabed minerals, marine biotechnology, research and development, tourism. So these are the various economic activities that are possible through development of blue economy. So in this context, blue economy is very essential. Blue economy has a lot of potential for generating livelihood, employment opportunities and economic growth. And also we can come to know about the sustainability of ocean resources. For this to successfully harness the blue economy, we need reports from missions like Deep Ocean Mission. Blue economy supports all of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, especially SDG 14 Life Below Water. So it is one of the sustainable developmental goals of United Nations. Blue economy helps in achieving this goal as well. Here one significant aspect related to oceans is polymetallic nodules. These are the nodules or minerals. These minerals are having a lot of mineral wealth inside these particular nodules. What are these? We will see. It covers vast areas of the abyssal ocean floor and contains significant amounts of critical metals. These metals are very essential for industrial development. A unique characteristic of deep ocean nodules compared to terrestrial deposits is the presence of multiple commodities in one deposit. Nodules are deposits. In these deposits, a lot of minerals can be extracted from the deposits. For example, nodules from the Clarion, different like manganese, nickel, copper, cobalt, such kind of metals can be extracted from single deposit. Such kind of deposits are plenty under the seabed. In order to mine these activities, first of all, we should know what kind of opportunities and what kind of challenges are there in drilling or doing sea mining. Deep ocean mining might avoid some of the environmental issues associated with terrestrial mining. The environmental pollution that comes through terrestrial mining can be avoided if we take proper steps deep in the deep sea. The development of societies towards a more sustainable future cannot proceed without critical metals. Deep ocean mining can not only deliver the metals necessary for this transition, but can do so with a low carbon footprint. One is economically, it is very important, these minerals and nodules. On the other hand, it is possible to reduce the carbon footprint by reducing the terrestrial mining and depending on ocean mining. To make this possible, we had to know more about deep oceans. So Deep Ocean Mission helps in that, and after getting the information, this information is useful in promoting blue economy. So these are various issues related to blue economy and Deep Ocean Mission. Next important issue is Koila Darpan portal. So what is this Koila Darpan portal? It is a portal related to coal mining. Here Coal Secretary launches Koila Darpan portal. So in this context, we are studying what is Koila Darpan portal. In order to share key performance indicators related to the coal sector, a portal called Koila Darpan has been launched. Now we see what are the important indicators and how this portal is useful. Here you can see the map, important coal mining areas where India is mining coal and using the coal for energy supplies. As the initial step, the portal has the following key performance indicators. One is coal or lignite production, offtake, exploration data, central sector schemes, status of coal stock in thermal power plants, infrastructure projects, allocation of blocks of coal blocks, monitoring of major coal mines, and coal price. So these are the various issues. So the various information related to coal sector and coal industry can be tracked through this portal. Here you can see what are the various dimensions related to coal industry or coal sector. If question comes in the form of development about coal sector, or what are the challenges and opportunities of coal industry, then you can quote this Koila Darpan portal also as a part of e-governance model of Indian government. So these are the various issues, and with this we are completing economy news for this day. Thank you.